We'll guide you through how to design in the Figma app. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Figma desktop app or go to the Figma website and log in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the down button beside the logo. Look for File to select New Design to create a blank canvas. This is where your design journey begins. You can also see in the left side the Layers panel, which helps you organize different elements of your design. At the middle lower part of the screen, you will see the toolbar with all the essential tools like the Move tool, Frame tool, and Shape tools. To start designing, you may want to use the Frame tool to create a layout. Click the Frame tool and draw on the canvas to create frames. Are essential as they act like artboards where you can place other design elements. You can adjust the size of your frame by dragging the edges or entering specific dimensions in the right-hand properties panel. Next, you can use the Shape tool to add rectangles, circles, or any other shape to your design. Simply click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. You can customize its color, border, and effects in the properties panel. If you need text, select the text tool from the toolbar, click on the canvas, and start typing. You can change font size, style, and alignment in the properties panel. For more advanced designs, you can use components or reusable design elements that make your workflow more efficient to create a component. Select the elements you want to include, right-click, and choose Create Component. Now you can easily use this component across your design by dragging it from the Assets panel. Lastly, don't forget to regularly save your work. Figma auto-saves, but it's always good to double check. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.